Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received problem, right? So the very first thing is that I usually face this issue and you can just solve in just three ways, which I will show you each and every way, right? The first method is that it should not be in flight mode, right? And if it is in flight mode, then you will not receive any kind of code or message or OTP, anything, right? And make sure you just turn on this mobile data if you're using your internet from mobile data, otherwise your Wi-Fi is great. And the next thing that you should have a recharge over your phone, right? Phone number or SIM card, whatever you just say, it should have been recharged. Otherwise, you will not able to receive any kind of code or OTP or anything. The next thing, if your the first method is sorted, then just move to the next method, which is usually you can just go to the Play Store, right? And here you have to just type WhatsApp. Once you type WhatsApp here, make sure that in the place of open it should be update, right? If there is an option of update, then update your WhatsApp right now. Once you update the WhatsApp, it may work properly, so make sure you just remove from your background and try to open your WhatsApp again. If it's worked, then it's great. Otherwise, move to the next option, which is the final solution, and it will work definitely. So you have to just go to the setting, and here you have to type apps management. So under, it's always available under apps, and app management is basically where all the application which is present over your phone, it will shown here. Now I will just go to my WhatsApp here. I will just go to the storage usage. I will clear the cache. Once I clear the cache, it may fix a problem, but it doesn't give 100% guarantee. So there is another option, clear data. If it is still not solved, then just go and clear your data. But once you clear the data, then it will be completely new. You have to re-log in, right? And make sure that the first method should be turned on, right? There should be a balance or recharge over your SIM card or phone number, and it should not be in flight mode, right? If the first method is not sorted, then the two methods will not work, right? I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.